Under the desktop fixed mount CPU holder. Adjusts vertically from 13 to 22. Rated up to 60 pounds. Includes anti-slip pads and mounting hardware. Steel construction with durable powder coat finish. Everyone needs some stability in their lives. Mounting the Ergo-Comfort CPU holder under the desktop keeps it readily accessible. The holder adjusts vertically from 13 to 22 in 1 increments and from 5 1/4 to 9 wide. The anti-slip pads keep the CPU in place, preventing it from sliding out of position. Rated up to 60 pounds. Steel construction with durable powder coat finish. Mounting hardware included. Top reviews from the United States. Great concept. I had my PC on a rolling stand under the desk that always caught the floor mat when I had to bring it forward. This should be more dust-free as well. I particularly like the fact it swivels to allow access to the rear. My knees are shot so I can no longer crawl under my desk. It is heavy though, particularly with the PC added. You will need a strong desktop to which to mount it. My only recommendation is for the manufacturer. It needs a template so that one can measure clearance for the swivel when extended. I had our carpenter move it farther forward, double holes in the underside of the desk. My only negative is the price, but it was worth it. I did check the reviews for some of the vendors who advertise at the bottom of Amazon's webpage, not selling on Amazon. Prices were better, but the reviews reservice were terrible. I opted to spend a bit more money and play safe.